GC News, Mema Olivia Aquaba, Hadia, latest and hot news, Kwana Mede, Bramo. I don't think so. We can subscribe. One more thing, say, we subscribe to their channel. You'll be able to say, over click it, the subscribe button. Now, a belly notification. We have the video for upload when the first person I was having a video. I think we are now one like video. Give us a thumbs up, nothing. Share my offer for so now when you be here now we and someone and also a workana memoir. I feel you're here a year and someone up at all your so you a year some community somewhere a cost community something.
Alan is going to pull surprises. Whether you like it or not, someone to a mark in Japan, the traditional Ashantis, all of them will vote for Alan.
If you look at the 32 years of the party, if you look at the 32 years of the New Patriotic Party, Akufo-Addo has been the leader for 16 years. And now we have 2 MPP for Niger. Alan Kwadwo maintained the Akufo-Addo resigned 2 times. And Yababia Samoa was a former MP, a former communication director for the New Patriotic Party, a former senior administrator of the party. Now him to Akufo-Addo that party no the call.
Me say Abani anya 2 MPP lusu. MPP official bi ani ho betu kwa obroma.
Nti make a double portion he say. Obekaya tama yegu it was it the 8th parliament or the 6th parliament. Obekaya we mo ba no. Omo mo say ba. What kind of message you parliament? And now any Saturday no. Come at the videos next time I said to myself say, "Hey, assemble badabi." Shabu, assemble badabi. Now make us the New Patriotic Party they are joking with fire. Observe Franco the hate another going to MPP for that is not the reality. I want to be honest and sincere, Shabu. Portion this particular works are matter. The NDC and Afafranto. And you see, if you look at Afafranto, the kind of numbers they buy inside, I was really surprised. Because it was before some matter call this kind of work. A whole lot of issues in the buy and a postponement. Ammonia and a deben and this.
Any people MPP. Na omudi bonia. Na oma Paul Mano.
Okay.
Mamincha Samioku. Yani honorable Ken and Namno. Samioku of Nunsuna. He's the first one I ever called honorable Ken. So what I can Japan on radio. But Bonibia Mokotia can Japan so be Alexis Samioku. Kaya Samuel Kuko Jeba be can say I obin now so be a Numa. Never go ye Juma as some for so the end man enjoy. Yet now some pa any asher from fire or corner cannot cut to he was referring to Allah. Alan, and you must say Alan be a can announce with yes. Alan poster a bar on the Saturday, Friday night at your postphone. It has been alleged a Nipa orchestrated here. Samuel could not answer. It has been alleged Samuel Ku and no parents on share
what do you gain to achieve?
Omo ye no na amfa and ayalolo pass. Alan I arrange yourself for members now. Omo cancel. Omo say mo pass get far from Anthony. Where Alan the first walk na ayalolo pass be pre. But we see one manti. Quickly what they didn't say and their groups won't fat. Moka mani tiam. And you probably he's some promotion for Baba. No buy.
Then it tells you say it's a blessing in disguise for Alan. And a blessing in disguise for Alan. And my would the real people would do it. Maybe first idea better. Maybe also be standing who say MPP new.
Yes.
What's somebody tell you?
Yes.
MPP new what they are to say. Alan walk on my postpone says no problem.
Yeah, Alan walk about MPP.
Alan didn't MPP ni Afafranto for some more work. Now some more come up postpone ya all the two start a day. One watching me just a bit my agenda setting.
But my problem say so these people are they politicians.
So what
every 8 years this year.
Oh, say no, there be a make the future.
I hear Nanado. I said no. Rollins. Ochan 8 years election call round off in 2
years. Yes. 8 years.
8 years we no. Election
call round off. Yes.
Mahama no me there because of say Mahama. There wasn't a proper continuity. That I would say. And the uncle round off. This election, Sabe BMP for Mama Yetem best round off.
Yes.
When you do this, can you go to Alan?
You said, I don't know, you know, Sabu. Always I tell you the future is pregnant. Always I tell you, you can never ever predict the future. And you can bear say, what issue be you should be able to solve it amicably. Issues were no friend planet as it didn't come a panacho, a high river. You see a phone, no man say anything now, Coso, Tiasro, say be a cocoa do crazy, young more, we are more family. It depends on how you communicate to the person. Now listen to the new patriotic people, the kind of things that they are doing. And even a walking, so here's a flyer bar on this over postponing adena. It is coming from some people. So uncle for not obedience that is alleged say about on your
mass alarm flyer the program you are postponing being shared and advertised by the new patriotic.
And I meant to ask you.
Watching juicy news on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Hallelujah. Children because you every children ba. When you ba children wa ba kan nipa manipo. So share for say eje dem a. Enya hallelujah. Yes. Nti Allah ne program amaso MP mo share mo.
And I come kwampa de. Amaso kwada nke say mo ni jika say ye hwehwe say ebi anka say de entime maso. Then to come to our benefit. Now already your course you na shaibu. It tells a man for about this kind of work. No, organic. They believe in the cardinal principles and the ideology of Afrafranto. What the heck? And I woke up here. Yes, I know bosses said the more and far more. People have to work from where they are. Make sure so much about PM over you, Mukosia, I'm not going to Mukumasa more, and making sure so maybe a bit my camera. Now we've seen other political parties who are saying, anytime they're doing events, they bash people. Yeah. They pay for them. They pay for music and BBS or Mabakeke. Me, per reports, I made a practice of money chase Kabiampo. And in Kofa, no Mudu Martini and Kofa, or Mudu no, we have to make sure say could be Alanachi, Amadi Alan inside Tiniaka. Be a part of bars or the buy or more can sell beer or for camera. And Yamma is a Nipanan Casano. And I didn't a card, Yaba, and it's Anoman. Now let's look at the issue, the merits and the merits of the matter. So the person may catch you in and say, send the numbers to the end people should be extremely careful. Why, my lady? Some men can't some trouble. Now you should ask yourself a series of questions. So if you look at this kind of elections, why is it say all the political parties they've paid their attention in the Ashanti region? Alan is spending 19 days in the Ashanti region. Okay. Or call Mahmoud Bawumia is coming. Mahmoud Bawumia call John Mama is coming. Alan young call and the Jan and call for you actually. Alan or Kobana New. Oh, Mr. Jan and call for you actually. Now they feel and things when it comes to elections, somebody can't catch us. If you come to Ashanti region and found say we be the largest voter, but all more to about nominal votes by Ashanti region. And if you are able to make sure Ashanti region to 2 number year, now let me catch you say. If the NPP in terms of the voters register, voter turnout, if the NPP is able to get 80% from the voters turnout, no percentage will not 80%, it's a foregone conclusion maybe in a Santa region. Alan Chofa, now in this Chofa, is that workable? Listen, what to Obama done the money, Mama, in 2020. Mama, near 26%. No, these are core NDC people. Chabu, these are core pro NDC for. So I'm for the brain years when I'm talking about the Alan. The plan was when I thought Mahmoud Bawumia. Now, if you look at 2016, the new Patriotic Party has 77%. Marani figure the amount. Now, if you look at 2020, the new Patriotic Party has 71%. And now that no can say a quack yes 71% to give. That ain't good. If you look at 2020, now NPP from Konya internal issues, internal primaries, and Konya problems. So if you look and conform the Alan China, some conform was part of the 71%.
Hot news all time.
Some conform the Alan China. They are part of the 71%.
Well, Alan himself was
because
voted for
Akufo-Addo could own the post. Yeah. And here Kasema Akufo-Addo enko. At that time, now if you look at factions and frictions in the party, now my. Okay. So I tell you, you need Bawumia camp, you need Alan camp. So I tell you, you need Compre Japan camp, Communist Japan camp. Now they be on the cut. If you look at a Akufo-Addo, good party, no call first my party, no call nyafe. That is a reality.
That's the who New the Jeffrey for something. Obi as a Akufo-Addo good party.
Me say, if you look at Papa Yefene say 1992, and I say Adubai he spent maybe 3 or 4 years as the leader of the party. Akufo-Addo, J. Akufo came 1996, equals 2008, 12 years. Yes. And the J. Akufo, a man for no MPP for no. Now they were in love with the new Patriotic Party. A luxurious man
almost style for the dollar.
It's about leadership. Ni pelko first what to Mama. And Nigeria for Melko is Kwashiga, so no MPP.
Sir, before the reconciliation
Committees or commission.
Yeah.
Now, if you look at Nigeria for Hobson, I don't know your MPP. Francis said no MPP. Now you can mention a whole lot of people know your MPP.
Francis, so many Ghana cylinder circulation.
Around
I'm also the before
my pamno. And then another don't call Kufado. If you look at the 32 years of the MPP, yes. May say, if you look at the 32 years of the New Patriotic Party, Akufo-Addo has been the leader for 16 years. Half of 32, no. Only 2 and 2 MPP for New Ghana.
We have a bag of
oh, Alan Kojo maintain the Akufo-Addo resigned 2 times. Alan Kojo maintain Young Executives Forum. He has founder. He has shown commitment, dedication for the resources of the party. Akufo-Addo into a party. What they call Sadiq Boniface. Or could do a canon so many running to a Akufo-Addo with party. What they call Yababia Samoa Echo. Hobson Echo. And Yababia Samoa was a former MP, a former communication director for the New Patriotic Party, a former senior administrator of the party. Now, no him to Akufo-Addo into a party. What they call. Look at how people are running away from the party. Look at the kind of apathy are setting in the party. Sabu, 9 times say at the end of 7-1 game, say. If you look at a lot of people was training
so will Alan pull a surprise vote in Ashanti region?
Shabula Sisi, Medicare catcher say this kind of elections. If you joke with Alan, you laugh at the wrong side of your mouth.
Alan and Busiofo. Samuya mistake. I am telling you. Alan is going to pull surprises. Alan is going to pull surprises. Now, whether you like it or not, someone Tuaba and Mark and Japona, the traditional Ashantis, all of them will vote for Alan. All of them will vote for Alan. Those who are insulting Alan, those who think Alan is not relevant. If Alan is not relevant in Ashanti region, if Alan is not relevant in MPP, Alan is relevant in Ghana here. Major Samsung, Womutiwa, Womuti Alan Atam, Eya Kakabism Nazo, and painful no much our party, and you say Alan our free party, Assembly.
Canada Podcast was a typical Santini, who was a can Alan na about me, I'm to follow. But Alan so about a cousin. You're going to say, Moon, be a mafamwa. Come on, sir. A young man higher. Massa, when I'm in a war, Moonsa, when I'm in your person, I'm obey. It's a bit of the morning. Nasa uko Koran muswa Komshani Muhammad Atabir Wallahi Ya Satifo Yesoki Na yanku Seye Janita Ukuma Pima Pimbaba is the Ashanti spirit in me. Alan, in a quest of a sort, say, or say, me Ashanti spirit room.
Manankasam Joe. That they may catch us in terms of communication. And you're powerful to don't joke with it. That they may catch us in Jesus Christ. Tamana Oyen evangelism. He was able to identify the need and the challenges of the people, and he preached a common language to them for them to understand. Now, men who say yes to Christ to copy a carpenter from what the fisherman, for example, now, he understands the problems of the people, the challenges. He tells them, he gives them solution. And yes, we can copy a person share Peter. No, the Proswa example, the channel, so I get to about the dinner. Yes, we can copy more baby tax collector. What the way and found will be many practice over the dinner.
The task got always see form.
What because Alan campaign you be and you are joking.
Alan sir,
I'm going to give you 2 reasons. Okay. Alan Kwadochamanti goes to the Church of Pentecost. What say? Baby, I don't know but you should look for a Christ-like leader.
leader okura Kristo.
One, you look at the environment, geographical hemisphere. No. Two, nkofome no mudi nkomo. Is he speaking the ordinary language, a common language, and on your moka? Now, Christopher, there was no reason for him to talk about Islam
or a traditional belief.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
And he wants to decode their mind and get close to them and tell them, say, so he's speaking to the Christians. And I didn't go PM obet match him some what you say. A whole amount for me propaganda and hypocrisy and say Alan is trying to do religious politics. Ghana han yen kanokre. The first person to do religious politics is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Your money didn't for to be the running mate to where I found another damn quick for. I say he wasn't picked on merit or competence because he's a Muslim. And he could find it in the buy. Now, some was this uncle. None on Alan or Kasawa
Ashanti region.
Ashanti region, do not aim for.
Thank
you. Now you look at the geographical hemisphere. But then you look at the timing. And confirm what we command Bonaya Santifo. Do Bonaya Santifo. Now, on Commona Odin, he wants to tell them something. Let's not forget. Alan Kwadochemandi hails from the central region. He hails from yes, Dunaso. Tianfan say he's from the Ashanti region. Thank you. He's from the Ashanti region. Now, if you look at Alan Kwadochemandi, a lot of people who hails from the Ashanti region have a lot of respect for him.
Alan hails from Kumasi or Ashanti. And this will be a simple Papa Wunti. May ba. Oh, they make a Ashanti say Sabuashia. Or so better than Kushi and India. Like a child said, who person would try so bad, say, you can't be like that. Oh, free or say, Papa, talk to me. And will be on free.
Yes, and you tell him critically. Alan is coming from the backdrops of one. He's an Ashanti person. He's speaking to his fellow Ashanti people. And I'm also more shed the idea. Oh, that is the most dangerous thing, Alan. I don't also win sympathy vote. Sympathy vote, sympathy vote. Then two know him on the we want to come in the Nala Quadrant. No, and you can compare Quadrapon and on Waka said that the party no party now. I could be on cause resign from the party. They didn't say Nanado Alan, but Conanado had lied to Asantene. What did Alan Kuyaka say? Ni Papa Conswa prayer, me quite one never. Yes, Sabiano, I blame Alan too for some reasons. There are some mistakes you do today, it will haunt you for the rest of your life. If I want to take a certain kind of decision, not decision I'm taking, I have to weigh it. I have to even take input from people. You take it before you come out.
I thought they all come to us. But I say, Allah no Roger Papa. Yes, but don't say the only diagon, Bonnie, the question here. It will be a question, will be Baba. Was in Patami shows, nursing training, Patami show be a teacher training. Bear Monday or the Ajimpa, yes, for sure. Yes, send up bounce up on the team process. Miriam Majan. I never blame them. I never question what you say. Politicians, they always think about a selfish interest first. That was why Alan made the mistake. Whereby he didn't do border consultation. Since 2007, it has come to haunt him for the rest of his life in terms of MPP internal politics. Here's how that's easy. Some of Alan Kwadochemandi. Now, Papa, from there 2007, consistently, Onik Ayineko, Nanado Danko Kufa the Neko. Now, in 2007, I say, because a piece now I'm sacrificing my life for you to be the flag bearer for the party. And I could follow Koka say, so I know Alan Eba. Yes, and it's here. There be a cut so person who pay your money to me. That is where you get to see the real being. Now, not to be cement here, they know, but now 5 a.m. Now, per se, over 1 at 2 a.m. And I could find one best friend. My security best friend and the cotton so canteen. Just what kind of say. I could find so feel comfortable say or call the party in the John and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. I want to ask a very simple question. When I understand they say part of an appoint a chim. I say part the party.
But I can't hear you.
On Mammy free at chim.
Look, I didn't hear you. I want to ask a very simple question. Is the party a bona fide property of Akufo-Addo?
Dead be over toy.
I didn't say let the whole company get down, come Mamun the Bush from war. No, find out. And if you look at Alan Kwadochemandi, Brawa Bro party, some will do Baby Alan Kwadochemandi, you call for your films and Mona. I'm not kidding, more than FM communicators. There be in elections where Papa be a Sumubo.
Oh, the agency. No, it's never one prepare.
We have no more course. And if you look at Akufo-Addo, if you look at the internal planners of the MPP, everybody ship everybody online. ministers, cabinet ministers, MPs, CEOs, Obia, if you baby I say Jubilee House worth. Jubilee House worth. That give me cast and say, if you stay in glass house, you don't throw stones. Say ne, so be no opportunity no epanyu. Now all criticizing and be extremely careful. Every watch now occupy position now. You do worse things.
More than
When J. Kufuor was the president, I'm so J. Kufuor man and good is now Somaliland and the bed or helicopter echo, and I could find the crown of J. Kufuor and Penasem. I could find the take over as a leader of the party and the leader of government business. You know why? Was suppressing the will of the people. Delegates will not know money, and only allow for my time. You run away from the party. And some women can't some show. Me say about to I see this election going for a runoff.
But NDC for to claim somewhere.
I know Mama say what council NDC for?
Yeah.
Me, I don't speak for the NDC. I don't speak for Franto. I'm a political pundit. And I'm saying who of since me now. I see this election will be a runoff. Okay? They be a cast in Mitchell. But people don't take it serious. Me say, men my case say the Machimian heaven won't go. Say with the Machimian ko bunsem jam, with the Machamiako. It depends on how I communicate to you. The new patriotic party in Kofobi, some key actors, the real Mokasano, they are creating problems and casa for their own self. How about the election go for a runoff? They cannot go to Anna.
Now, Franco,
yes, sir.
The person here hopes that the video be a
Me say abani anya two MPP lusu. MPP official be any hobe to kwa obroma. Take it from me.
Say on the vessel wo tu kwa.
James Anyanya announcement. Now this MPP are lusua. Me have taken over the airport. Obi any hobe to kwa. Hey, take it from me. Me nko feda. Me da mwaze.
Na do ya say. Si to aban. The 1% people be win. Some people here lusu. Either Alan or Mahama or out na airport. Se plane no ebitu a. Ogo he plane with MPP. Nanado appointed the from Amiafenism.
Also Casa on Camboni. And I'm going to tell you. Your MPP for na creative problems the more. Now other. Aguna West. Which is in Morrison.
What's the case one?
What's it? Or Casse. About 2 years to see a 2 year. And I said, Okadempu.
What's it? Someone in the court.
Yes.
And that's also intimidating now. Some sharing gender issues. Was India from Jubilee House
yes.
to the last person. Also, wow, Nipa Kudia. I don't know why you boss.
Yes.
And some
yes.
Or better than
also from Jubilee House.
Yes.
So many say Empire me bring some MPP winning. Do you know why? Yes. We should vote for competent people, people who think about the welfare of Ghanaians. Say MPP winning by them Cynthia Morrison Ekana. Then our party say bibi wo home this year.
But the Franco, me imagine that the MPP lose election. Never ten somewhere soon power. And I say you go far about the say
BBC wo fi na paimu beto na etunufo anase wonti na se BBC wo abusu animu a na problem that say eba e ho no bia start bia ni nsem so say bukura e ka say kire wanti we ka say kire wanti we ka say kire wanti e ka say kire wanti me I want this kind of thing to happen.
Some people go position.
I want them to go back to factory settings and come
near who and near man.
Neba people join the queue to go and vote. Obi sora ho match 1 2 reasoning is saying he wants a competent leader. Leader bit my bineti me aboa na no more person we wetimi dia konani. Now adeba kwa e higher pa na say Obama say we should build stronger institutions, not stronger personalities. It says in Morrison asema worker. It means that there's some corruption areas where we have to visit there.
And must it take hopes instead? Now
also you're Ghana ni ana. What are you trying to tell me? Also you're Ghana ni. Now not go for say we should be citizens, not spectators. No go for nekai. Now so hopes in air yes citizens and yes spectator juma. Now say be what the cabinet no ma kwa kwatena wa twa ma wo nkwa eno how. Eno how. Wonni bone and people are not so betting now. One bone dia. When the Ghana force card we are not going to allow you to go.
I need a tour by be my lose. I need to be a counselor.
What's that?
Be a tour my
lose. Yes, psychologist. Psychologist won't be betting your yes, psychologist won't be betting your yeah, trouble when we political party about when no. When call for if abandon your 20 years or MPP for our no problem. And it's for now when they are. They means what does I not make close to be. Until the hopes in Kaya, on the Quack now, and Kofobu Mom, Shablasisi. And I'm an appear to do, appear to them say, they will even do more than they are bringing here. Some confiscated gas, you see. Make catcher of Shablasisi. The MPP we know some time ago is not the same MPP we are seeing today.
Franco, I only video that's on Austin at the we can say NDC walk at one or the after
Yes.
And not NDC for walking. You can't tell me say I'm passing members from the entire region and not maybe because it has some touch him no sometimes there were a lot of some of the constituencies and I works in the course. But any problem bad bantama. Those sent me can say I'm funny pa nipa film who spent about 2 or 3 and party. But you may wear look bad. No to me had these numbers.
First, and also be crashing this attack was Santa Regianas who can wood. And I study first, which will be NDC attack the new PR. As no quality club uniform. And you see first when you trouble crab here. Hey, then NDC for me baby say, but hey, and go for me and Simon for an somewhere day. The Shabra Sisi. Now check the trend. Look at the tangent assessor. Young guys who any mano and conform a school in Sanomano. Now they are joining the NDC in a Santo. You have to ask yourself, so what has changed? What is the problem? It should be a case study for the MPP. Say in 2016, NDC are 23%. In 2020, Omania 26%. They are appreciating their votes.
And as there's a special energy. Someone who has a victory
Shabra Sisi. If you look at and now walk here the team here, look at how people went in their numbers.
Bantama has high street for the NDC to fill the street.
It tells you something.
And overdo baby at Santa for a typical Santa for nine. Now Santa for Meriwajan, sign of change.
Yes. It tells you said the baby no more seeking care corner. People are not happy.
So what brought some agency to that? The region.
Shabra Sisi.
Another person of Chas and so say honor and
oh, just a medium fee again, or he has every right to do campaign.
Okay.
And they are doing campaign. Shabra Sisi. My catch was NDC for now who say they cannot get the 30% in Ashanti region. 30 in the wins of Munya, but they know somebody can do the 30 for them.
And who is that?
Alan Kwajotiamante. So medium. Only so Munya 30%. Sabu 26% is still intact. Empire Mobile say Alan should get 5% or 6% in Ashanti region for them. Alan Yanya Sabo now comedian automatically the NPP goes to opposition. Now look at numbers. When you concordant numbers, when you cook numbers, share only video nature me. It tells you that people are changing their mindset. Men revolution now started. People are conscientizing their mindset. And then they be first. May your mobile phone and I met up there be. They have seen no. We should think about development and make us a new pan of a ban. Obeying your boy.
Yo, it's for winning and some more abecto yempo. How say you so and our heno. So we are subscribe or more say we subscribe to the channel. Now feel so while like the video and share my of first we be here. Sanse Hadia latest and hot news in Kwanamidi Bremo. Also with me at Jerry what you have so we now comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.